Enjoy riding your bike? We've developed a new friend for you. It's time to put the prehistoric motto alarm to rest. SIZZAPP is here. SIZZAPP will measure your lean angle, speed and acceleration, routes you made, and will track your bike's location wherever you go. SIZZAPP will always look after your bike when you sleep. Naughty, naughty. Sweet dreams. SIZZAPP will call other users for help if you're in trouble. Hello, friends. SIZZAPP constantly updates and expands to make your driving experience even more exciting. Your new reliable friend. Your new reliable Tripmate. SIZZAPP.